Okay, good day. Yours truly, Dolphy Gilpin, is in Decatur, Georgia, United States. I'm in the back of the Mercedes bus, applying my amazing 5x12 matrix to auto space. And this is a typical Mercedes bus space. And this lecture is in correlation with a lecture I did in New Jersey at the BCCLS campus, Bergen County Library College campus. And it was done in a cargo bus back, but this is now a passenger bus. And we're applying the amazing 5x12 matrix in the space. And so here we have taken a 1x11, 1x12 from real life experience in the economics configuration, MB937-73930J. And parallel to this bus, with its purpose to generate money, quick money, I'm trying here now to synonymously apply the matrix to generate serials, monetary serials, and serials very quickly, frictionless serials in the AP configuration. And so here we have 937-73930J, B2, and the common difference is one. We have MB937-73932 as the next one, MB937-73932, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the next one, this second introduced change. And so what we have now would be, after it reached 9 here, this 99 would change to 100, or 100. And after it reached 100 going down, it will go over to the fourth digit, or the third then, and then the fourth, and so on. It's just a sequential generation of serials, a frictionless sequential generation of serials, monetary serials. And this is the amazing 5x12 matrix in its most simplest form. Now, we later going to do a relatively more difficult procedure with the original matrix, using the determinants to produce these economic monetary series. And then we'll use it in the pharmacochemical configuration to apply it in the medical field, and also to apply it in the engineering field. So this is just a brief introduction to the matrix, and the relevance of this is being applied in auto space, and more specifically, this is in the back of a Mercedes bus, a Mercedes-Benz bus, and the amazing 5x12 matrix in its versatility and multi-dimensionality, and yet in its simplicity, is being applied. And this, like I said, the AP generation or sequential generation is the most simplest form you will ever get from it. So I'll take a break, and then I will move on to a more difficult procedure with the 5x12 matrix being reduced to 4x4, 3x3s, 2x2s, and then to give you the sequential economic series. And as you notice, in prior lectures, we have mentioned that billions, billions, trillions, quadrillions of these serials have been generated via this fashion. I mean, physically, not just theoretically, but physically by this fashion. So, and this is the monetary configuration fashion. So let's take a break, and then we'll come back to a more difficult procedure in the matrix.